Hello everyone. Today we explore channels and how the channels work in Golang. Actually, channels are a way to facilitate communication between goroutines. Actually, you have let's say two goroutines. They are running one each other, and you have problem to send values from one to another because they run basically in parallel and in the old programming languages like C, you can, for example, use mutex or other ways to synchronize. But in Go, we have channels. The channels are pretty straightforward, let's say. A little bit hard at the start, but mm, if you work with them a little bit, they will become more easy. So we have this code. Let's jump into it. We have two functions, producer and consumer. The producer function sends integer from 1 to 5 into the channel. uh, ch is the channel actually. We use this kind of operator to know that we send data to the channel. So basically, we are sending data towards the channel. And we have the consumer that is actually reading the data from the channel and is printing. So basically, in a way we write, in another we read the data that is right in the other goroutine. It's a very basic and straightforward example that we have here, but it is showing the power behind channels. Let's run the code. So basically, it's going over the consumer and is receiving values from the producer. How is working? Basically, we need to define the channels in the main function, and we know that the channel receives int values from the first one, producer, like this. We need to define the parameter of the function there. Also, here we define a variable that is done, and we'll say when everything is done, set done to true and exit from channel. We need to do this at the end of the main function, so the main thread to know that the channels basically are finished and the goroutine stuff is finished. So we have two functions, go producer and go consumer, and both run in parallel. Channels are an elegant way to orchestrate communication between goroutines, and also is enabling us to build efficient and concurrent program in Go. I hope this video has provided to you with a solid foundation in using channels, and feel free to explore more about channels and their advanced features. Also, I thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.